There are numerous ways to earn money while still wearing your pajamas. There's no need to shuffle out the door. You can make money from your couch, a coffee shop, or anywhere you can connect to the internet with a smartphone. Do you like to express yourself? Or maybe you're just looking for a more productive pastime than mindlessly scrolling through social media. In any case, how about earning some extra cash by, sharing some of your thoughts on online survey sites? Yes, these survey sites allow ordinary people to earn money for their opinions. You can make a lot of money by taking surveys on some of the survey sites that are available online. You only need an email address and an internet connection, and a little bit of patience when responding. You can join and earn money whether you are a student or a housewife. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to get paid $3 per 30 seconds by answering surveys. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Consumer feedback allows businesses to make more money by fine-tuning products and advertisements before they are released to the public. So this is why companies will compensate you for your time when you complete a survey, and the information you provide them will be critical to their success. Paydera is a well-known online survey website that claims that allows users to earn money. Paydera is a relatively new get paid to website that is open globally, and anyone can join and begin earning a passive income. The site has several revenue streams. Like all GPT websites, you can earn money by taking surveys, performing simple tasks, creating a video for the site, or even writing a blog post about it. Just keep in mind that, as with all GPT sites, you must keep track of the offers you sign up for. Taking paid surveys is the earning option with the most opportunities on Paydera.com. It actually has a large number of available surveys. It has its own Paydera surveys as well as external surveys. The surveys are small and it is easy to qualify for one of the surveys. The great thing about its own surveys is that you appear to qualify for almost all of them. When you answer a question, it checks the answer and you have to wait about 5 seconds before moving on to the next question. As soon as you complete a survey, the money is deposited into your Paydera account. They also provide incentives for the time spent taking the survey. Also, keep in mind that if you click an ad while taking a survey, it will usually open in the same window. This means you are removed from the survey you are currently taking and will not be compensated for it. So you have to keep that in mind. There are some external surveys available from well-known survey providers that function more like regular surveys. However, the rewards for these external surveys are lower. So you'll need to create an account on the site and fill out the required information. So you can just simply click the Create Account button. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, and password. To register and use the site, you must disable your ad blocker. The surveys are small and it is easy to qualify for one of the surveys. The site has an extremely large amount of surveys you can take to earn money. The surveys normally pay $0.10 to $0.15 for each one that you complete. The site will check each of the answers that you enter. This takes quite a bit of time before the next question will be displayed. So during the waiting period, you will be shown tons of ads on your screen. It normally takes 10 seconds to 20 seconds to display the next question for you to answer. When the site is ready to display the next question, you must click a button embedded between 2 ads to proceed. This must be done for each question you answer. Now, I know the topic gets more and more interesting from here, but I want to know if you're interested in having a side hustle like this. You know what? Let me know in the comment section below because I'm really interested to know. So let's continue, shall we? Okay. So as with all GPT sites, you can download and install apps on your mobile device. The funds are limited and the site does not provide adequate compensation for the work. For each download, you will earn $0.10 to $0.15. Microtasks are a great way to supplement your income on GPT sites. The site offers you $0.10 for each task that you complete. So normally you can earn a substantial amount of money completing tasks. There are no limits to the number of tasks you complete each day. Paydera.com is also distinct from other websites. The tasks are more akin to paid offers. However, for paid offers, you can usually get some pretty good awards. Getting paid to make videos sounds like a lot of fun, doesn't it? Actually, Paydera provides this option. But before you get too excited, you should understand the circumstances. It is essentially a way for you to earn money by promoting Paydera. In this section, you have the option to create a video. You will be using YouTube to create and promote videos for the website only. You will need to create your own videos about the website to upload to your YouTube channel. You will be paid between $0.20 to $0.45 each video you create and upload to your YouTube channel. So instead of a video, you can create an article, blog post, or Paydera.com reviews in this section. To get paid, you must publish the article on well-known blogs, forums, or review sites. If they approve it, you will receive 10 quota points. A referral program where you can earn a little extra by inviting others to join is very common in GPT sites. Paydera has a similar program, so you must first create an account on the site and fill out the required information in order to get referral links. You should also know how to get your money if you decide to join. Paydera accepts PayPal as a payment method. That is an excellent way to receive your earnings in cash. However, the Paydera threshold is quite high, so you can receive a payout when you have earned $20 by inviting others to join. However, you must invite more than 150 people to participate. If you don't want to invite people, you will not be able to receive a payout until you have earned $30, which is quite high. So their website is mobile friendly, so you can use it even on small screens. One advantage of Paydera is that you can join regardless of where you live. And it appears that you can qualify for almost all surveys regardless of where you live. This provides some opportunities for countries where paid surveys are impossible to find. However, earning money with Paydera surveys requires a lot of perseverance. If you require assistance with Paydera, you can submit a support ticket. It doesn't specify how long it will take to receive an answer, but you can easily locate the section and submit a ticket. So now that you know all of this, are you ready to earn with Paydera? Well, you should be. Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!